guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to actually look at a vector that came in mathematics paper 2 2019 grade 12 internal. For some of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so, because I've got plenty of videos that explains how you can be able to understand vectors. So please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. So this is a Radical Academy. For your own information, make sure you check us out on YouTube, Facebook, and also TikTok. So the question now says that in a diagram below, OB equals to 4 vector A, OA, and AC equals to 5 vector AX, and M is the midpoint of BC. This is M, and OA is vector A, and BM is as vector B. Okay, so now to understand how we can be able to apply the concept of vectors in this case. Okay, so now the question says express in terms of vector A and OB. So the vector AB. Now the whole idea is from vector OA is just vector small b, and then now they want us to find vector AB. So this gives you a concept. When you want to understand what is going on or what is happening, you can just simply say that on vector AB we have the concept as OB. So from this is the concept there. So if from OB is actually 4 of that, so it simply means it simply tells you to say the whole of this vector is as a magnitude of a 4 from O to B of that of vector OA. So this implies to say that if this is 1, then AB is just the vector 3A. Okay. But then how can we understand that concept? So what this simply means that you can also express vector AB, okay, as just from A to B is just 3 out of the entire line of vector OB, which tells us to say it is 4 out of vector OB. Okay. So now this tells you that vector, this is 3 out of this, and then you understand that vector OB is simply just the 4 of vector OA. Now we know that 3 out of 4, then it is 4, and then vector OA is simply just the vector A. So just substitute there, and then we do that. And this now, this is 1, and divide there, this is 1. So this just leaves us with just vector 3A, which is the same as just looking at that. Okay. Now the next concept is, the next answer is, so this gives you 1 mark, and we move on to AC. Okay. So we go to the diagram. How do you go about AC? So the idea of AC can be conceptualized as just the AC by making the direction AC is equal to AB plus BC. So this is just AB plus BC. So make sure that you understand more of this. Okay, so we know that AB is just the vector 3 3 vector A plus BC. Now we have been told that M is the midpoint of BC. So meaning M divide this line BC into two equal parts, so halfway. So if this is B, this is also B. So altogether the BC is just the vector 2A. Okay, so this answers your AC. Okay, and now the third one is about OM. So OM, okay, and then this is AB. Okay, so OM is just OM equals to vector OB plus BM. So make sure that you make a triangle, okay? When you're always making the direction. So OM equals to OB plus BM. And this is going to be, we know that OB is just 4 of vector, 4 of vector what? On OM, just 4 vector A. Okay, so from this concept there, okay, OB. And then now this is going to be plus BM. So from B to M is just vector B. Okay. So this also and this also gives you 1 mark. This also gives you 1 mark. Okay, so now the last question here says show that OX is this. So this has got 2 marks. So you go back to the diagram and see how you can find OX. Okay. So in this case, our OX can be made OX equals to OA plus AX. So OX equals to OA plus AX. Okay, so we can do that. OX. So whenever you are trying to show, you don't copy direct. So you have to come up with your own movement, or rather how you can come up with OX. So OX equals to just the OA, okay, plus AX. Okay, so from there now, we know that OA is just vector A plus AX. Now when you go back to the information, which is very cardinal, okay, so we have been told that AC equals to 5 of vector AX. So AC, so just to do a bit of AC there, equals to 5 of this vector AX. So we can make AX the subject, which we can come and substitute right there, okay? So this just divide both sides by 5, both sides by 5. So this goes. And this is going to be AX is just going to be vector AC over 5. Now we know that vector AC is just this one right here, okay, this one. So 3 vector A plus 2 vector B, okay. So now this is going to be 3 vector A plus 2 vector A divided by 5, okay. So we are going to take this one and then substitute it right there, okay. So this is going to be 3 vector A plus 2 vector, not it's supposed to be BC, so this was supposed to be vector B, okay, and this is supposed to be vector B. So yeah, sorry about that. Make sure you correct that mistake. Okay, so and divide by this. Okay, so now what you can do is you can correct the like terms, this one and this one. Okay, and this is going to be vector A plus 3 vector A over 5. Okay, so we need to work on this one plus. So this 5 is also for the 2 vector B. Okay, so what's going to happen now is if you put over 1, find the lowest common denominator, which is just 5. 1 into 5 is 5 times vector A is 5 vector A plus 5 into 5, just 1 times 3 vector A. This is that. Then plus, you drop this one. Okay, so plus 2 vector B over 5. Okay, so this one is gonna actually be 8. You add now 8 vector A over 5 plus 2 vector B over 5. So this is going to be like, you can factorize now. The 5 is common, and 8 into 2, okay, 8 into, 2 into 8 is just 4, 2 into just 2 is just 1. So 2 is common, and then on top and then at the bottom 5 is common, and then open the bracket. So 2 into 8 is just 4 vector A plus, and then we have this is just going to remain B, then we are done. Okay, so now this is OX. Now if you compare with what they want us to do, you find that it is just the same as this one, so you can just say as shown. Okay, so we have shown that OX equals to whatever they wanted us to show. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and you'll not actually miss any video like this one. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.